just hang on a minute. Okay? I forgot to highlight something. The wind stress itself is shown in this little diagram as the black arrow. It's one example. Okay? And it can be split up into two components. Okay? One is the projection onto the x-axis, and it's the green arrow. Okay? And the other one is the red arrow. Here is the projection onto the y-axis. For the problem of Ekman pumping, you only need one of the components actually. Okay? You will see on the next slide. So let's go to the next slide. Okay? Go to the next slide. Okay. So for example, at the eastern face, you only need the northerly wind component. Okay, so the easterly face is on. Again, you look from above, you'll see your control volume, the top face of your control volume in the ocean, and you'll focus on the eastern face, and you only need one component of the wind stress, namely the northerly component, because it's only this component that produces an Ekman transport that can move water across into your control volume or out of your control. Okay? Because you only have the values at the corners, you need to interpolate the value into the middle of your face. It's shown here by this star. And this is an interpolation, and essentially it's just averaging, because you take both values, the northeastern and southeastern, and you determine the average. It's like a linear interpolation into the middle of the region. Okay, so this is what you do, and from that you can work out the Ekman volume. Okay, so this is one step.